Good morning everyone. So today we will discuss dissection of flower. So I have right now in front of me the model of flower. Okay, last time I told you to collect one flower, that is hibiscus flower it is, so that you can clearly observe the various parts of the flower. Okay, so we start. So here the model is such that you can separate each and every part of it. This is known as sepal. Okay, and this is colorful part, that is known as petals. Okay, let's separate it so that you can get the better idea. So this green color portion, that is known as the sepals. Okay, it is there with each and every flower. Okay, and this portion, that is colorful portion, that is known as the petals. Okay, this is just because of various color. Okay, some flowers are of red color, some flowers are of yellow color, so this is known as petals. Okay, now if you remove each and every part, so you will get the middle portion. Let's see. This we can remove each and every. You can also remove, if you have a flower, you can remove its petals and sepals, so that you will get the clear picture of stigma, ovule and ovary. Okay, after removing all the parts, petals and sepals, you have such kind of flower. Okay, so this is known as anther. Sorry, this is known as stigma. This is your anther and this is stigma. See, in each and every flower, this portion, stigma is only one. Stigma is your male reproductive part. So stigma is only one, and this is anther. On the anther, this is known as the pollen grains. If you have observed any flower, so when you touch the stigma, so you will have sticky materials, that is known as pollen grain, जो आपके हाथ में चिपकती है. Okay, so this is, and this is known as filament, which is attached to the bottom of the flower. Okay, now whenever this is your pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma, okay, and it will go inside over here. This portion is known as ovule. Inside part is known as ovule and outer part is known as ovary. Okay, so if you remove this, if you want, you can remove. If you have a flower, you can remove this portion also. Okay, this is known as dissection of flower. Each and every part we have to remove. Okay, so this portion, this swellowy portion is known as ovary, and when you do the cross section of ovary, inside you will get this kind of structure, that is, this is known as ovule. Okay, so this is all about the dissection of flower. Mainly in flower we have petals, sepals, stigma, anther, pollen grains, filament, okay, and ovule and ovary. These are the basic parts of the flower. In that, ovule and ovary are the female part, and that stigma is known as the male part. Okay, so in detail you will learn in 7th standard, that is reproduction in plants or reproduction in flowers, so that you will learn in detail in 7th standard. So this is all about dissection of flower. If you have a flower, you have original flower, so you can also remove each and every part slowly like this, and you can get the observation of like this. Okay, thank you.